Hello, Dart Throw Traders. It's Jimmy Slagle here with dartthrowtrading.com. And today is May 18, 2015, and we're looking at the top 10 best stocks to buy today. So let's go take a look at our software and see what we came up with today. Got a couple of stocks, actually 9, so it can't really be a top 10 list when you've only got 9 stocks that have appeared on our All Green Today scan. But let's go take a look at who they are. If we pull up the list of stocks, give this a minute to load with our lag time on the wonderful internet that we have. Rank these in order of price, high to low. Ticker symbol ANET, NGANENDAGRFS, and on the list. So we're looking not inexpensive stocks today, $15, $16, $17 range. Got a couple 20 and 30, but this one ANET, obviously I like to start with expensive stock first. Why? More expensive the stock, more trading opportunities there are. So if we click on this, we can take a look at circle, valuation, fundamentals. Everything's all green today. That's why I put up on our list. Earnings 78 days from now, so we don't have an earnings report to worry about until August. Stands that came up on all green today, all current. So let's go take a look at a chart, see what we can come up with. All right, here's a stock that we want to evaluate using the D.A.R.T method and doing that evaluation very quickly. This is a range-bound stock, trading between a low of around 65, high 75 on the top end, which was achieved back, it looks like, on March 19th. Right now, the stock had earnings come out just a couple of 2-3 days ago, and a couple of things going on. One thing I want to point out, other than the stock being range-bound, obviously, is fact that volatility has collapsed. Why volatility collapsed? Earnings. So now that the earnings are out, nobody cares what the stock's going to do anymore. So we've seen a big, huge collapse in volatility. Now, the last time this happened was the last earnings report, which was back in February. And I'll go up on the chart and look at this in a second. So if we look at this back in February, this collapse in volatility, you'll notice that was back when the earnings came out again. And so what happens is volatility bleeds off. Stock kind of stagnates a little bit after the news comes out, and that's about it. But the volatility does what? Well, as all things, volatility starts to come back up after we see that sell-off. Now, the reason that's important is because we're looking at a very low volatility position here. I mean, this is almost like 52-week low volatility right now. So the great thing about doing that is doing a trade that takes advantage of low volatility to enter with the expectation of an increase in volatility. And if you follow Dart Throw Trading, you know the strategy to do. That's a no-brainer. So let's go take a look at that strategy, obviously the calendar spread. This is a nice looking trade. Right now, if the stock continues to move higher, which historically it has done after doing something like this, or at least stagnates, we're looking at an opportunity where we can see the stock move higher, make some money from that higher move, peaking out at 70, about 73 on the top end. But if we see an increase in volatility, this entire trade is going to shift up. So that's the trade we're looking at wanting to do. So if that's the trade we want to do, click the trade button. Boom, we can go place this trade almost, a couple of clicks of a mouse. Everything's entered in, hit review, hit submit, boom, we're done. So the power of tools. What do you need to trade? You need the right plan, you need the right tools, you need the right guys. Come visit us at dartthrowtrading.com. Get the free cheat sheet. We'll show you how we do what we do.